Doon tayo daw, ma'am. Hello guys, we're in SM and this is my tour guide for today. Hello, tour guide.
Oh, yeah. I am our tour guide today. Okay, here.
Daming tao mga guys. We're here in...
What do we want to eat or something like that?
Upstairs. Oh, upstairs.
Like here. Or you want Chowking Laureate?
No.
No? Probably all one So yun, we don't like the food here, so we're going upstairs. We will find Jollibee or McDo like that, but not here. It's sunny for today, kaya maraming tao po. There's a dog here there. Jollibee. Jollibee. Who is Jollibee? Oh, let's go find somewhere there. You want KFC or what? Oh, KFC.
Ang dami pong tao. There's a lot of people out here. Kasi lunch na din kaya, and it's Sunday. So, Ayan, ang daming tao. And before muna tayo
Sige lang. Ayan. Ito lang ang meron. Explore tayo kung anong meron. Ito yung ano, nung next na...
Ay!
Oh, ito yung ano, nung...
Ay, tayo na lang.
Grab tayo. Sure ka?
Ay, large gram, large.
Hindi.
Ito pala?
No, this one is yung ano, taba lang siya.
Ay,
O yung... Gaya ng in-order namin kanina ng anong... nag-grab tayo sa ano, sa bahay. Yan. Anong yan? Alam ko yan. Kaya yan. But let's... Ano lang.
it was for...
Ay, hindi. Ano
Hindi,
ito?
ito, favorites.
Favorites na lang.
Diyan. Ito.
Ay, this one.
This one.
What? She classic crispy figure on seeing what?
Ayan, ay.
And then drinks. Tea, Coke, Rigo, Coke. For me, wait lang.
What's for you? Tapos na po yung in-order kong hamburger with fries.
Pengen lang ipag na ito. Ha?
One.